Catch the latest news on our website tribune.net.ph and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tribune Now. The Daily Tribune is one with the nation in facing the COVID-19 crisis, and in line with this, the Daily Tribune Digital Edition and Press Reader is now available for free online. You can also download the Daily Tribune app on Apple Store for iOS users and Google Play for Android users to get the latest and most comprehensive news online. Daily Tribune is also inviting everyone to join its community Viber Katribu to get updates on the freshest and hottest news and entertainment stories of the day. Tarcito emoticons are also available on our community Viber. Just click on the link in this video to join.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ito na naman tayo sa isang episode ng Kalingang Katribu. At sa pagkakataong ito, maganda yung pag-uusapan natin. Fitness and business. Magandang rhyming yan, ano? Pero kasi nga, kabubukas lang ng mga gym ngayon. So, siguro mga tanong dyan, pwede nating ibigay sa ating guest ay... is it the right time to be opening a fitness gym business? So, sa ngayon, ipakilala natin ang ating guest. Sa sobrang dami ng awards nito, bilang isang fitness instructor sa malalaking gym sa buong Metro Manila, hindi na natin siguro may isa-isa pa. So, without further ado, andito si Jay Dador, ang General Manager ng The Body Forge Fitness Gym. Welcome, Jay.
Hello po. Hello po, magandang hapon.
Siguro sagutin natin agad yung unang tanong. Bukas na ba yung mga gym sa ngayon?
Yes, we are all open right now. On different fitness companies in the Philippines, it's open already.
Kumusta naman ang natin? Kumusta ang turnout considering na merong mga restrictions with regards to coronavirus disease?
Well, actually, it's quite hard, no? For us as business owners of the fitness gyms, medyo mahirap on this situation. But I think this is the right time to open again and to start working out in the fitness club.
Bakit right time? Anong nakikita mo in the near future with regards to the fitness scenario natin? Jay.
Kasi right now, mapapansin nyo, people are gaining. And lalo nagiging lazy because wala silang ginagawa. Because there's no gym. And then, siyempre, pandemic, they are afraid to go out na mag-workout. Iba naman, nag-workout lang, pero iba pa rin pag nasa fitness club nasa fitness gym. If you have a certified fitness coaches, they will teach you the right workout, the right program, right execution, proper food. And I think this is the right time kasi yung virus is going down.
Okay. Siguro, Jay, at this point, pakikwento muna sa amin ang iyong karanasan, yung mga pinagdaanan mo bago ka naging owner ng isang gym. Sige nga, kwento mo sa amin.
Okay. Nag-apply ako before. I think that was 2006 when first time I applied to a fitness club, international company. Hindi ako na-hire. But I didn't stop.
Okay.
because this is my passion. This is what I love. No, they told me hindi ako graduate from medical field, or I don't have an experience in the fitness or in tinatawag lang hardcore gym.
Okay.
So, napaisip ako, sabi ko, ba't hindi ako magtrabaho as a fitness instructor sa isang maliit na gym?
Okay.
And then, yun, luckily, I worked for 6 months. Then after the 6 months, I went back to the same company I applied before.
Okay.
And then they hired me.
Oo. Kasi,
And then after, yeah,
as I understand it, Jay, kasi
after,
may mga certification kasi, di ba? Bago ka ma-hire as a fitness instructor, may mga certifications that are needed. So, okay, sige, tuloy natin ang kwento.
sige sir, so yun sir, na-hired ako sa isang international company. I worked there for 2007 hanggang 2012.
Okay.
And then, I'm happy and proud to say that I'm one of the top fitness coaches in the Philippines before. Kasi siguro yung mga certification ko, so I'm training clients, siguro pinakamababa ko nun before is 5 to 12 clients per day. So I start from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. every day. Ganun ako sir. Sobrang napamahal ako sa fitness eh. Siguro because you're working out, you're helping people, and then you're meeting a lot of people, different kinds of people.
Okay.
Who's very, kumbaga, well-known, respectable, mga ganun, sir.
So, bali, yun yung mga gym instructor na parang doon na nakatira sa gym. Kasi,
Yes.
kasi pag nag-speak...
And then after that, sir, ganito, tuloy ko lang.
Sige.
I was hired in Anytime Fitness abroad.
Okay.
Anytime Fitness Qatar. And then after a few months, I was promoted as a head coach and assistant club manager. And siguro ito ulitin ko, I'm very proud na tayo mga Filipinos are very well known as one of top caliber fitness instructors. Kasi siguro because of our intellectual, our hard work, we are hardworking, we're dedicated to work. Kaya siguro ganun, kilalang-kilala tayo even international. Pag sinabi mo Pinoy, magaling na coach.
Okay, so let's go sa business side naman ng fitness ano. So, ano bang kailangan para halimbawa nagpaplano ka na magbukas ng isang fitness gym? Halimbawa maliit lang na para sa community lang. Ano ba mga requirements diyan? Ano bang capitalization na kailangan
First of all, it depends on the space. Siyempre, dapat kung maglalagay ka ng isang gym is dapat kahit papaano is kompleto. And for me, number one din is your employees. Dapat they have at least 2 years experience, and then one of the top staff before, kasi sila yung magdadala ng company mo mismo eh. Yun lang naman kasi, based on the studies right now, there are so many clubs or so many companies that are putting up here in the Philippines. I think magkakalaban na lang dyan is services and price.
Okay. So, anong mix ng equipment ba ang matatagpuan natin sa the Body Forge Gym? Nasaan ba ang nasaan ba
question.
Nasaan ba ang Body Forge?
Okay. Okay, makikita nyo siguro later our video, no. Our gym is sinasabing nila is all-in-one.
Okay.
So, bakit all-in-one? We have different kinds of variety of exercises once you go inside to our club. So, ano yung mga meron kami na wala sila? We have indoor running track. So, people na medyo nagsawa sa treadmill or don't like using the treadmill, they can jog or run or they can walk inside the gym. Ganun siya kaganda. And then we have wall climbing inside. So, talagang mag-i-enjoy. Kasi ang wall climbing is good for your core, your arms, your back, your balance. And then, meron din tayong obstacle course. which is medyo demanding right now, no?
Okay.
Kung hindi lang nag-pandemic. So meron tayong mga Spartan races. So inisip ko, sabi ko bakit hindi ako magtayo ng gym na preparation for their strength endurance before they will join in a Spartan race. So gumawa ako ng isang obstacle course inside the club na preparation for their joining in a Spartan race.
Okay, from what I see sa video, kakaiba nga yung gym na ito kasi nga meron nga siyang running course sa loob. Yan yung berde, ano? May pathway. Ibig
Running
sabihin,
track.
yung mga tatakbo dun sa berde, hindi siya aalis doon. Tapos, meron pa siyang wall climbing. So, ibig sabihin, usable fitness ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. Hindi lang yung aesthetic, ano? Kasi, maraming mga gym,
Yes.
maraming gym kasi na buhat ka ng buhat, malaki ka, pero pagdating sa usability ng strength mo, saka ng mga, yung mga reflexes mo, medyo kulang, ano? So, ano ba yung,
Yes.
as I understand, GX ba ano yung GX na tinutukoy mo sa, dito sa...
It's a group exercise. We have a
Okay.
group exercise studio.
Okay.
So the good thing in our group exercise studio, sir, yung flooring natin is made of rubber.
Okay.
Pero nakikita mo siya, it's like a wood. Pero rubber siya. So
Okay.
less tension sa tuhod when you're doing some exercises, some dance classes. We have also spinning,
Okay.
yoga for your flexibility. So talagang once you go inside, magbabayad ka lang ang monthly mo, all the classes are all free. And the good thing in Body Forge, no, we have a free training with our certified fitness coaches,
Okay.
which is hindi no-offer ng ibang malaking fitness clubs here in the Philippines.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, yung flooring nyo, merong flex, ano? So, ibig sabihin, hindi masyadong hard sa
Yes.
tuhod para sa mga nag-exercise. Okay, so, bigyan mo naman kami ng idea. Magkano ba ang kailangan mong i-prepare kung if you want to join a club like Body Forge? Kahit ballpark
Okay,
figure.
right now, sir, no, we are on the pre-selling.
Okay.
Nasa pre-selling period kami. We're planning to open by January 3rd or 4th week of next year. It's a good year to start. It's a new year for Filipinos to work out again, to have yung ma-motivate ulit.
Okay.
Kasi parang nawawala ang mga Filipinos kasi nagkaroon ng pandemic eh.
Oo nga.
So we will change it. Di ba? Kasi parang parang tinatamad na sila, natatakot. For me, don't be afraid. Ang kagandahan rin ngayon sa Body Forge, we are on a pre-selling. All you need to pay is the 1,000 joining fee and you're a member already.
I see. Okay. So, on that point, siguro we will take a break muna, Jay, and so that we can have a word from our sponsors.
Viber is the free and secure way to connect with friends and family anywhere. Send messages and make phone and video calls for free. Download Viber now.
Magsha-shopping na lang ako!
Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver.
Hello, can you get the following? One pink chair, bed sheets, na pink yung sofa, tapos slides, size 8, pajamas na blue. Oh, don't forget ang...
Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver.
Wait lang. Okay ba yan?
Anything at the SM store, ma'am.
Call to deliver. Call.
Kuya, pwede rin ba ako magpa-deliver sa ate ko sa Taguig, tapos sa friend ko sa Davao, tsaka sa... Cancel ko sa Lipa? Okay ba yan?
Kahit saan po, pwede kami
Call
mag-deliver.
to deliver. Call. Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver. Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver. Call. Hashtag 143SM. Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver.
Call na rin kayo.
Call to deliver.
And we are back dito sa Kalingang Katribo with Mr. Jay Dador, ang General Manager ng Body Forge Fitness Gym. Kanina, bago tayo nag-break, sabi nga ni Jay na pre-selling ang kanilang gym. Ano? and it will open on sa January. Actually, I totally agree with Jay na ang outlook ng maraming Pilipino ngayon, pagpatak ng 2021, talagang bubuhos talaga ang mga tao sa gym, especially pag nandiyan na yung vaccine natin and nagsimula na tayo ng kumbaga on the road to fitness again. So napaka-timely ng pagbubukas ng gym ng Body Force Gym ni Jay. Okay, Jay, tell us more about your gym.
Okay. Ang gym namin, it's open every day, even on holidays from 6 a.m. until 12 midnight. So I think there's no reason that you will not work out. And then once you're a member, you will have a free training with our certified fitness coaches with a variety of exercises. Meron tayong running track, just like what I've said. Obstacle course, okay? Wall climbing, and then we have spinning classes.
Okay.
Yoga for flexibility, circuit training for the whole day. And the good thing also, in Body Forge, we have a light DJ every day, especially on the peak hours. So, talagang mabubus kayo sa mga DJs natin na darating sa ating fitness club.
Okay.
So, I'm so very excited na sana ma-avail yung pre-selling, which is very, very affordable. It's only 1,000 pesos. Naka 50% off pa yan.
Okay. So, yung ang kakaiba nga yung Body Forge Gym, considering the mixture ng mga exercises na ino-offer ninyo, So, ano ba yung Spartan? What's the Spartan program na tinutukoy mo kanina?
Okay, yung Spartan kasi, it's a very in-demand, actually, last few years ago pa, kasi there's endurance, tapos yung strength, kasi mayroong running doon, okay, obstacle courses. So, naisip ko, bakit hindi ako gumawa ng gym na mayroong ganun?
Okay.
Kasi right now, ang meron lang na may obstacle courses is sa BGC. Why not I put here in Alabang for the South people na instead going to BGC, dito na sa Alabang.
Okay.
So, naglagay ako ng, which is a community gym para sa kanila na hindi na sila mahirapan going to different places.
Okay.
So, all in one, the only thing you should do is to join us and we will make fun in the fitness, in doing some exercises. Hindi lang, kumbaga, pang Spartan, kahit mayroong bodybuilding, we have, may deadlift platform kami, weightlifting, gusto mo, meron kami. Andun lahat sa fitness club namin.
Okay. Siguro, at this point, Jay, kasi since you will be opening sa January, ano ba, in the interim, December 1 na bukas, ano ba ang pwedeng gawin ng tao? Halimbawa, wala pang accessible na gym sa iyo, what can a person do to keep in shape? Halimbawa sa bahay or
Okay. Yan, magandang question yan dyan. Actually, in the studies right now in the Philippines, it's 90% of the Filipinos are not aware or not educated pagdating sa fitness and health. And kasama yung wellness, ang fitness industry, it's booming here in the Philippines, So isipin na lang yun, 90% na yun ay hindi alam kung anong ginagawa nila. So akala nila yung walking lang is just an ordinary walking. Okay? So in order to be physically fit, dapat yung tatlong aspects meron ka. It's you have a good strength, endurance, and flexibility. Isang mawala doon, you're not physically fit. So yung ginawa namin na fitness club will improve your endurance, your strength, your flexibility. So we want to educate that 90% of the Filipinos. Okay, bigyan pa isa ng idea, So food is very important when you're working out.
Okay.
Actually, food is 70 to 80%. And then when you're working out, it's 20 to 30%. So what's a good thing when you're working out? So the good thing when you're working out is it increases your metabolism, which is kailangan nyo yun. As we grow older, ang metabolism natin bumababa. And then the strength, di ba?
Okay.
So in order to improve your strength, you need to lift weights.
Oo.
So maling perception yun na babae, bakit daw nagli-lift ng weights? No. Kailangan din niya kasi yung babae, mas mababa ang testosterone level ng babae.
Okay.
So as they grow older, bumababa ang metabolism ng mga yan.
Okay.
And then what's a good thing, no? Nagsishape ka kasi panililift ka ng weights eh. So right now, ang fitness industry at ang fitness dito sa Philippines is booming actually. So we want to educate that more than 90% of the Filipinos are not aware about fitness, health, and wellness.
Tama ka dyan, Jay, kasi ang napapansin natin, pagka puro cardio ka, like halimbawa, puro running ka or puro bicycle ang nangyayari, you tend to lose muscle mass. Parang
Yes,
sobrang payat ka na. So tama ka, tatlo dapat yan, yung cardio fitness mo, tapos yung muscle,
Endurance.
yung endurance, yung muscle
Yung
mass
strength.
mo, yung strength, and then finally
Your
yung
flexibility.
flexibility. Alam mo, malaking problema yung flexibility sa mga nag-gym sa, yung tinatawag nating bakal gym. Yun yung mga...
Bodybuilders, di ba?
Kasi ang lalaki niyan, ang lalaki ng ano, pero hindi sila flexible. Di ba? Kasi nga,
Yun.
oo, muscle bound
Totoo
na tao.
yun.
Marami pa may problema dyan. Hindi lang basta flexible, minsan kulang din sa cardio. So, di ba?
Yes, di ba? Kasi buhat na ng buhat eh. So doon yung makikita nyo, maganda yung muscles nila. They have almost a perfect body. But I'm not discouraging you to become a bodybuilder or a physique athlete, no? I'm a physique athlete before and
Okay.
also a bodybuilder, no? Yung mga mentors ko, great mentors ko, yung mga nagturo sa akin, they told me, you need to do cardio.
Cardio, oo.
You know why? Sabi nila, it's good for your heart, sabi nila. From the word itself, cardiovascular, and for your legs. Kasi ibang bodybuilders or physique athlete, medyo naiiwan yung legs eh.
Madalas.
So yun ginagawa namin.
Kasi nakakatamad mag-legs talaga, di ba? So talagang, saka it takes more effort. It takes more effort na to develop yung legs, di ba? Kasi sana yung legs sa mabigat eh, na pagbubuhat. So, madalas talaga naiiwan yan. Okay,
Kaya dapat don't skip legs, sabi nga nila.
Oo, leg day, lagi may leg day. So, ang ano talaga ngayon, ang nakikita mo, Jay, is ang future talaga ng fitness, talagang kailangan total package, ano? So, kailangan
Yes.
may cardio, merong strength, saka merong flexibility. Kasi,
Isang mawala doon, you're not physically fit. Kung baga tinatawag, di ba? Yung three aspects na yun.
That's why, kung makikita natin yung mga ano ngayon, yung merong mga malalaking gulong sa gym, di ba?
Tires.
Oo, inaano natin yan.
Meron tayo niyan.
Meron tayo niyan. Kasi, ang
tayo niyan sa Bradfords.
ang focus is yung usable fitness. Magagamit mo sa pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay, hindi lang
Correct.
pampapogi o pampaganda, di ba?
Opo.
Okay, so ano pa Jay ang masasabi mo about yung ating how to help our people stay in shape, no? Sabi mo nga mas marami ngayon ng couch potato, ano? Saka teka muna, siguro huwag natin kalimutan yung sabi mo kanina, 'di ba? Yung fitness, nandiyan yung sa gym, pag-exercise, tapos yung pagkain. Siguro, dagdag natin dyan yung, rest, yung tulog. Kasi, the time that we grow or we gain strength is when we rest, di ba? Tama ba, Jay?
And muscle recovery.
Muscle recovery.
Muscle recovery is during at rest.
During rest. Hindi,
So, ang recovery kasi it will took 48 hours to recover your muscles. Kasi ang muscles natin is wear and tear eh. So for how long? It's 48 hours to recover.
Yes.
And then if you're a beginner, so I'm suggesting it's at least 4 times. But kung ikaw ay sobrang busy, nagtatrabaho ka, And then your hours of sleep is 6 to 8 hours, it's okay already.
Okay.
So, pag sobrang busy ka, at least 3 times a week.
3
And
times.
don't
a week.
skip leg day.
Ang sagwa nga naman kasi na ang ganda ng upper body
Kasi
mo.
nila Johnny Bravo, di ba?
Si John Bravo. Tapos kakapraso yung, yung, yung
Yung legs.
yun nga napapansin natin. So, Jay, invite mo yung ating mga viewers again to join your gym and kumbaga sa
Encourage.
get back on the road to fitness. Sige, Jay.
So, I'm encouraging all the peoples right now, no, to go back to the gyms, no. Ang gym namin, it's very safe, you know why? Ang gym kasi namin, we buy a solution for disinfecting. It's made in Japan. It's not harmful for humans na while you're working out. I've tried it, no. Even though i-gurgle ko siya, it's okay. It's not harmful and it smells like you're inside the hospital. Ganon siya alinis. Ganon siya ka-safe.
Okay.
So dadali namin dito yon in the Philippines para yung gym namin, it's very safe. No? And then, siyempre, it's normal yung mga protocols. We have a thermostat. We can check your body temperature. So, after nun, disinfect before you start. And then, naglagay ako talaga ng wash area. I put a wash area to make you to be more safer and happier place na mag-workout ka. Kumbaga, worry-free. No? Kasi ang tao kasi natatakot na lumalabas, no? If you have a good immune system, hindi ka naman tatamaan talaga niyan eh.
Okay.
You have a good antibodies inside your body. So, ba't ka matatakot right now? Which is, pabagsak na ang virus.
Okay.
So, sakto itong pinapakilala namin sa inyo. It's a local company, Gawang Pinoy.
Okay.
So, I hope you patronize yung mga Gawang Pilipino pero pang international na companies. So, iniisip ko nga kasi, sabi ko, I came from a fast food chain, no? International fast food chain. Sabi ko, dati we're number 1. Bakit ngayon itong local, tinalo pa ang international? So napaisip ako, sabi ko, why not in the fitness industry? Tayo naman, Gawang Pilipino, mag number 1 naman tayo dito sa Philippines.
Okay.
Diba? Kasi ito kasi talagang Gawang Pinoy. Idea yung Pinoy ito.
Jay,
Yes.
we have a lot of questions kasi coming in from our viewers. So before that, we will take a break para so that I can read the questions and ko sa iyo mamaya. Okay?
Okay.
Sige.
Right.
Wag po kayo aalis, we will be back.
Bilang bagong mag-asawa, sabay kaming natututo sa buhay.
Sabay rin namin inaaral ng mga bayarin sa bahay.
Kahit kami, nagtaka sa biglang laki ng electricity bill namin. Huwag pong mangambang maputulan. Sinisigurado ng Meralco na walang disconnection hanggang September.
Estimated bills lang ang natanggap natin ng March, April at para sa ilan, May. Dahil sa lockdown, isang tabi to para hindi na maguluhan.
Ang May o June ay actual meter reading na. Kung May nagka-actual reading, ibabawas dito ang huling reading bago mag-ECQ. Yan lang po ang ating babayaran hanggang 3 buwang konsumo.
Kung estimated reading sa May at June nagka-actual reading, ibabawas din dito ang huling reading bago mag-ECQ. Yan lang po ang ating babayaran. Hanggang 4 na buwang konsumo, walang labis. Tandaan, kung ano lang na konsumo,
Yun lang ang babayaran.
ako po si Mateo G.
At ako naman po si Sarah G.
G?
G!
Click, click, that's it. Never thought self-service can be this slick. Modify plans in a snap, walang hirap. It's a wrap, just tap the app. Now you can check, view, subscribe, renew. Help and support for you. Out with the Ring Ring apps or the in thing, you know what to do. Globe at home and Globe One, all in the Globe app na yan. self-service and easy to use. Mas okay tayo dyan. Globe at home and Globe One, all in the Globe app na yan. Instant response, no hold time pa, wala nang hintayan. Download Globe at home and Globe One app, all in the Globe app na yan. Download the Globe One and Globe at Home apps from Google Play Store and Apple App Store now. Download Globe at Home and Globe One app, all in the Globe app na yan.
And we are back with Kalinga Katribu, and our topic for today is fitness and business. At this point, we have several shout-out, except, pasensya na kayo, hindi ko mabasa. So, nandito yung ating magiting na director na si Owen Tormento to read the shout-outs and also the questions na rin for Jay.
Okay, shout-out kay Elmer, kay Solin Y, LH David,
Oh,
Ferdinand Alcos,
okay.
Gerald Mayor Fernandez,
Mm-hmm.
si Nolram Aravan, LC De Ramos Cuenco.
Oo, tapos may mga questions tayo from Bong, Paul, and Daniel.
Yeah.
Ako na tanong ni Bong yung tungkol sa pag nag-gym ka daw, masakit ang katawan mo. So, is it, pwede bang, nire-recommenda mo ba, Jay, na mag-take ka ng mga painkiller? Especially yung kinukumal.
For me, no, it's normal. Just like what I've said, muscle recovery, it will take 48 hours. That's why merong pains, no. It's, siguro tayo, we have sports when we were young, in elementary and high school. Normal yan. On the first and second day, talaga masakit ang katawan. It's the same when you're working out. Ganun din. So sabi nga nila, there's a saying, no pain, no gain, no results.
Yun. Ibig ba sabihin, pag hindi sumakit ang katawan mo, walang epekto yun, Jay?
Hindi naman walang effect, no? Pero I think that's the right time na you need to change your exercises or your program.
Okay.
Kasi ang muscles natin is like a thumb, no? So every day, same food, nawawalan ka ng gana. Di ba? So ganoon din ang muscles. So same exercise, ang tinatawag naman doon, it's nagka-plateau stage.
Pa-plateau.
Parang nagpa-plateau na, wala nang improvement masyado. So bumabagal. So that's the right time to change your exercises.
Oo.
Diba? From beginner, from beginner, intermediate to advanced workout.
Ibig sabihin, pag nag-plateau ka, kahit ano gawin mo exercise, wala ka nakikitang improvement, ano? So, either you shock your body by doing another exercise or kung nagbubuhat ka, dagdagan mo yung binubuhat mo kasi masyado na magaan yun para sa muscle mo.
Pwede yun. Kasama rin yung sir dyan, no? Sabi mo, it's in the weight, time, and repetition.
Repetition, oo. Siguro kung masyado na mabilis yung repetition mo, bagal-bagalan mo para iba naman yung nakikitang
yun naman pumapasok ang time.
Time. Ngayon, meron pa tayong question from Daniel. Ano ba daw ang mga factors na dapat isa lang alam mo kung maghahanap ka ng gym mo? Halimbawa, taga Las Piñas ako. Paano ko, is it good for me to travel all the way to your gym sa Bodyport sa Alabang?
Sabi nila it's traffic coming from Las Piñas.
Alabang sa Porto Road, traffic.
Pero isa naman ang sabi ko, we're open from 6 a.m. hanggang 12 midnight every day, even on holidays.
Okay.
So, ang workout kasi, you're investing on your health, no? So, gusto mo ba gumastos sa hospital ng millions of pesos? Or just investing for 1,700, 1,800, or 1,900 sa isang fitness club na hindi ka magsasawa? It's open every day. So, there's no reason na hindi ka mag-workout. You just manage your time.
Saka mahaba yung time to be going to the gym. So, you can work around yung mga traffic. So, you can go during the time na light ang traffic. Also, siguro, kaya napakaswerte ng mga malalapit sa gym nyo. Kasi nga, especially ako, ang gym ko, laging walking distance. So, pag yun, kasi kasama na sa warm up yung paglalakad going to your gym.
Yes.
Yung question naman, business side naman ng question ni Paul, maganda ba raw ang return on investment kung magtatayo ka ng gym? Jay?
Well, based on our studies, no, yes, maganda. Just like what I've said, it's more than 90% of Filipinos are not aware and educated about fitness, health, and wellness. So, pandemic pa. Bakit natatakot sila din? Nagko-close ibang gym. Hindi kasi alam kung ano dapat gawin. No? For me, lalo ngayon pandemic, sakto kami, nasa pre-selling. So, we give more promos for the future members. And then, we're showcasing different kinds of exercises, latest machines that we have na wala pa rito, nakukunti pa lang, ibang gym pa lang meron, kami meron na.
Okay.
So ganun siya ka-exciting. Once you go inside our club, talagang you'll feel the difference and the ambience. And then we have also a juice bar to relax after your workout. And then in the next projects namin in the first quarter by next year, gagawa tayo ng local supplements for working out.
Local.
So ganun siya kaganda.
Ibig sabihin, tailor-made sa sa requirements sa mga Pilipino,
Yes.
Kasi alam mo naman, yung mga supplements na nasa merkado natin ang timpla niyan iba para sa mga Caucasians usually. Ngayon, Jay, do you have any plan na mag-franchise kayo? Halimbawa, kasi napakalayo naman ng Alabang. Halimbawa, tiga Cainta Rizal ako. Do you see in the future na magba-branch out kayo and saan nakikita nyo na pwede?
John, actually, isi-share ko, no?
Okay.
There's one investor planning to invest already.
Okay.
We will have a meeting next month, this coming December. He's planning to put up 2 clubs in Pampanga.
Dalawa?
So,
Okay.
Oo, dalawa agad. Kasi nakita niya yung concept, the system. So maganda yung services and the price is very affordable. And then top caliber yung mga staff natin. If you can check it out, our staffs came from different fitness clubs before, top trainers, no? Even abroad.
Okay.
So, yun nga, sabi ko, it's in the, nasa employees lang yung makukunin mo.
Okay.
If you hired the top caliber employees from different companies, sila mag-aalaga sa iyo eh. And at the same time, sila mag-aalaga do sa mga clients nila.
Okay.
Yung clients namin do sa Body Forge.
Okay, Jay, on that note, we want to thank you dito sa Kalingang Katribu for joining us sa ating topic, fitness and business. So, tama-tama, andyan na nga yung pandemic, pero papaalis na, nandiyan na yung vaccine natin. Now is the time to hit the gym.
Yes.
Galaw-galaw lang kasi importante na active tayo. Hindi yung puro galaw-galaw, kain ng kain, di ba? So, whatever na kinakain natin, kailangan i-burn natin yan. And also take plenty of rest at huwag masyado magpa-stress. Again, we want to thank Jay Dador for being our guest. And we want to thank also yung mga viewers natin for today. Pasensya na kayo at wala si Compy Manalo, ang original host nyo, kaya nag-pinch sheet tayo for him. Again, si John Dodson po ito. Maraming salamat po.
Ang Philippine Offshore Gaming Operators o POGO ay isang legitimate business entity na nagbibigay serbisyo sa offshore gaming para lamang sa mga manlalarong nasa abroad sa pamamagitan ng internet. Ang mga serbisyong handog nito ay katulad ng casino games at sports betting na pwedeng laruin kahit wala sa casino. Sa Pilipinas, walang POGO operators. Tanging POGO service providers lamang dahil nagaganap ang mga laro sa labas ng bansa.
This is a very important story. The important story.
Pictures and stories.
Today, we feel the weight of history on our shoulders. The way we have been moving leads nowhere. We need to change course.
Since the United Nations was founded, the human race has never had to face a set of challenges like we do right now. But together, we can overcome them.
Good morning, sir. How may I help you?
Bakit kailangan ko pang pumunta sa bangko?
Kung nga naman, sir, ba't kailangan pang pumunta sa bangko?
Why not get a UB app so you can do all these without going to the bank? Bank the way you live. Union Bank.
Araneta City, home to the country's first indoor shopping mall, the world's original Thrilla, and the first ever Bini Bini pageant. Now a place for your first win, your first catch, your first home, your first big break, your first date, and even your first love. Araneta City, the city of firsts.